I'm loving the risk-taking on this one.
Molding a successful career can be a challenge.
I'm trying to incorporate photography or fine arts or some level degree of art into my future.
It's especially tough when that career is through the lens of art.
What do I like most? Does art count?
I'd like to think I, for the rest of my life, could explore all parts of the world, capturing every moment, every picture.
So tell me what are you into?
Portfolio Day at the Pace Center is a place for DCSD artists to explore career options.
I have a creative mind and I don't do well sitting behind a desk.
It's a chance to brush up with those that have drawn out a living in the field.
What I want to talk to you guys and work with you guys on about,
like Pace curator Rose Frederic.
Talking about yourselves. It's going to help you because you have to sell yourself.
Art is not so different from any other line of work. It's a people business.
It's not what you know, but who you know.
One where getting work means getting connected.
Keep making those connections because they do come back around.
Then there are skills like communicating, common courtesy, and just showing up on time.
Your name will come up and they'll say, yes, let's call her. Yes, she was really nice.
It's an interesting way to represent the world, isn't it?
Thank you.
All these students are looking for a career.
You can apply art to anything,
Oh,
can't you?
yes.
When that career looks more like a canvas than a spreadsheet.
We're all in a big art project, the universe.
Yes.
These skills will help to keep creative passion from becoming a lost art.
Pretty much told me not to limit myself. I can just do it all.